This is a EarthRoamer. It's a 2005 XV LT. It's actually the first model that they produced, or the first unit they produced. So a lot of the components in here we found out from EarthRoamer are the prototype versions of it. What our customer needed was an updated electrical system. This was originally outfitted with lead acid batteries. They're wanting to make the move to modernize towards lithium. And what that requires is updating the charging system. So a lot of older chargers aren't set up with the proper settings for lithium components or lithium batteries, and you'll want to update it. So what we've gone with here is a Victron Multi-Plus. This is an inverter and a charger. We've gone with a Smart Solar from Victron. And then this has a dual alternator, so we're able to do two Orion XS 50 amp DC to DC chargers to get alternator charge while they're driving. And the main difference and need to move to this is the lithium settings. So these are going to give the correct charge profile for a lithium battery, which is a lot different than a lead acid. This has been updated as well to two 300 amp hour LiFePO batteries for a total of 600 amp hours. So they're going to have a lot of power while they're out on the road, from solar, from driving, as well as if they're plugged into shore power.